Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play WoW for beginners. First, you will choose a realm and faction, either Alliance or Horde, to start your adventure. Next, select a race and class that truly resonates with your desired playstyle, whether you prefer melee combat or casting spells. Then, complete the initial quests to grasp the fundamental game mechanics. Finally, explore the starting zones to become familiar with the vast world around you. As you progress, understanding your character is key. Dedicate time to learning your class abilities and how to use them effectively in combat. Always equip gear with superior stats to enhance your character's power and survivability. Furthermore, delve into your talent tree to customize your unique playstyle, tailoring it to your preferences. Remember to manage your inventory and quest log efficiently to keep your adventure smooth and organized. World of Warcraft offers an expansive world to explore. Follow quest lines diligently to advance the captivating story and gain valuable experience points. As you journey, discover new zones and unlock flight paths for quicker travel across the continents. Don't hesitate to engage in various activities such as challenging dungeons or exciting battlegrounds. Always interact with non-player characters to accept new tasks and uncover hidden lore. The social aspect of World of Warcraft is incredibly rewarding. Consider joining a guild to connect with other players, find groups for content, and make new friends. Participate in dungeons with 4 other players to earn powerful gear and experience thrilling encounters. For a competitive edge, engage in player versus player combat within battlegrounds. Always utilize the in-game chat to communicate with your team and ask any questions you may have.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.